Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is the 27th of September 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Let's dive into today's stories. Our first story today comes from an independent testing company, AMCI Testing, which has conducted an evaluation of Tesla's full self-driving, or FSD, system. Over a stretch of more than 1,000 miles in Southern California, the FSD required human intervention over 75 times, averaging an intervention every 13 miles. This evaluation spanned across FSD builds 12.51 and 12.5.3 and included a variety of driving environments, from city streets to highways. While the FSD system did showcase some advanced driving capabilities, such as maneuvering to allow oncoming vehicles to pass, it also displayed some alarming behaviors. These included running red lights and veering into oncoming traffic, which are certainly not the kind of actions you want from a self-driving car. Guy Mangiamele, the director of AMCI Testing, acknowledged the impressive aspects of Tesla's FSD, but issued a cautionary note. He pointed out that the initial effectiveness of the system could lead to dangerous complacency among drivers. Many drivers tend to operate with their hands off the wheel, which is risky given the system's unpredictable nature. The evaluation also brought to light issues with the system's programming. Delayed lane changes and miscalculations during critical moments were noted, raising questions about the system's reliability. Mangiamele suggested that these failures could be due to a range of factors, including limitations in computing power and programming inadequacies. Overall, the findings from AMCI testing raise serious concerns about the safety and reliability of Tesla's FSD technology. As Tesla continues to develop and refine its self-driving capabilities, these insights could prove invaluable in ensuring the safety of its users. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. We hope you found these insights into Tesla's full self-driving system both informative and thought-provoking. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered today. Join us next time for more updates and discussions on the latest in Tesla and automotive technology. Until then, drive safe and stay curious.